Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change out this cabin air filter for this 2014 Toyota Tundra. Should fit a 2014 Toyota Tundra to a 2021 Toyota Tundra. And a lot of times cabin air filters are offered by the dealership per oil change. Usually you do them every 6,000 miles or so, or just as needed. They always check them for you. I will tell you this, they usually charge anywhere from $15 to $30 in labor to change them out. But today I'm going to show you how to do it for free. That way you can save a little bit of your money. Let's get started. Let's put this up here and I'll show you how to do this real fast. Doesn't take very long. All right, you see right here, these arrows say pull up. This is the door. The cabin air filter is behind this door. Just to back up again, I am in the glove compartment. Open her up, clean her out, and at the very back, it's right here. So you want to push this up like that, and it should just pop out. There we go, like that. Set this on the bottom. And these are, there's a tab over here on this side, and a tab over here on this side. And what you want to do is push them in. There's one, and there's two, and it should just pop right out there. Do this again, right there. See the tabs right there? There's that tab there, and the same on this side. And it should just pop right out. So I'm gonna set this on top. And there's the filter. Pull them out of there. It's actually not terrible. There's the old filter. Let me get the new one out here, I'll show you. I say not very dirty. I pull it out when you compare them next to each other. It definitely looks quite a bit dirty. It's actually heavier too. But so it looks a little different. This one's a little cheaper. This is what they had in stock with all the parts that you can't get right now. So that's kind of the part numbers are 87139, YZZ82. But easy enough. You take it out here. It's labeled up right there. Slide it back in there like that. Just like that. Let's put this thing back on here. And it has a deal that says up as well there, so you can screw it up. There and there. Push it in there. Let's get this thing back on here. Kind of has some prongs on the side right there. So you want to make sure those are in there. Just get that in there like this. There. And pop it down. Just like that. Done deal, and you have just changed your cabin air filter on your Tundra in about, what, 2 minutes or so? Well done, well done. Here's the part number in case you guys want to do this. Your dealer may have a different part number, but different areas get different ones in. Right now with the shortage, you got over different numbers here and there. But that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll do some more videos here coming up. But good luck, guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. See ya.